service. Amanda speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, yeah. I was wondering if I could get a quote on a rear brake job for my car.
And what kind of car?
Yeah, so it's a 2016 Mazda 3.
Mazda 3?
Yeah.
For the back, you said?
Yeah, so rear disc brakes and rear pads.
Bear with me. I'm just learning, so I'm a little slower than the boys.
No, that's all good.
Can I put you on hold just for a moment?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Oh my god. This is crazy. This is why it's like it's insane. People don't fix their own shit. It's actually insane. We're calling the professionals, and they have no idea what's going on. No idea. Rear brakes. That's like the bare minimum. Oh, it's part of my video. Yes, it is. I'm not waiting longer than 10 minutes. I'm not doing it. I'm calling somewhere else. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I can't last more than 10 minutes. I promise you. Like, if you guys can see that, it's 10 minutes. I have to call somewhere else, but that's ridiculous. Okay.
Menu.
I'm shopping.
Holy God, this is good. This is harder than I thought it was actually going to be. This is ridiculous. Even to like try to get your car fixed.
We're sorry, your call did not go through. Please try your call again. This is a recording.
I can't make that up. Like I called 3 different places. It's taken me 15 minutes just to try to get a quote for brakes. That's how bad it is. Okay, we're going to call the highest rated auto shop that I can look for. 10 plus years of business. All right. Hey, how's it going?
Good, you?
Good, yeah. I was wondering if I could just get a quote on a rear brake job for my car.
Okay, what kind of car do you?
I got a 2016 Mazda 3.
Rear pad and rotor?
Yeah, rear pads and rotors, yeah.
Can I call you back, Mitchell, on that?
How long do you think you're going to be?
Probably a good half hour before.
A half hour to get the quote?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. No, I'm okay, man. Thanks, though.
Okay, thank you.
What? I actually can't make this up. I can't make this up. This is ridiculous. This is nuts. This is ridiculous. 30 minutes to get a quote on that was the highest rated in my area. Oh my God. Okay.
Monica speaking. Could I please put you on a quick hold?
Sure.
Thank you.
At this point, like, you have to expect it. Like, you just have to expect that you're gonna get screwed by these people. It's absolutely nuts. This is crazy. It's actually insane. I don't even know if I can get a rough estimate. I don't even know if I can do what I wanted to do. I'm still on hold. I'm not holding more than 10 minutes again. I'm done. I'm done with this. This is like half an hour just to try to get some rear brakes looked at. It's like I'm calling the fucking government. It's like I'm calling EI at the end of the month, is what it's like. Like I'm calling welfare. Who am I gonna call? Okay, guys. This is another 10-minute call. I promise you I'm not making this up. We're gonna figure this out on our own. Alright, first thing you gotta do is you gotta take the tire off. I'm using air tools. You don't need to. You can use wrenches, whatever you need, socket. Just get it off. Alright, next you gotta pop that hood. You're gonna take the cap off the master cylinder, allow that piston to go back into the caliper nice and easy. You're gonna lube these bolts up. You don't need to. I take some penetrating fluid. Then you gotta go to these nuts right here, okay? I think it's a 13 mil. They're the ones that hold the caliper onto the rotor and onto the assembly. You just take those off. Pretty simple. Probably the easiest thing you gotta do here. Now you're just gonna lift this off nice and easy like. Hopefully she ain't seized up on you there, bye. Alright, once you got that, I can see some uneven wear on the old brake things. It's not good. Okay, now you're going to take some needle nose pliers. You're going to spin it clockwise. You're going to push that piston right back into that caliper nice and easy like there. Then you're going to move on to the old bracket. Same thing. I think it's a 13 or 14 mil. You're just going to take these bolts off. It's going to pop that bracket off so then you can easily get access to the rotor. Then you're going to take the old sledgehammer. You're going to hit on top. You see that big metal rusty thing? That's where you want to hit it. You don't want to hit it on the rotor because you're going to take 3 years to get it off. Then you're gonna pop open the nice easy brakes that I got there. I got them down in the description, way cheaper than any Rock Auto anything. Off Amazon, easy. You're gonna put some anti-seize on that, so then you don't have to beat so hard the next time you take these things off there. All right. Then you're just gonna do everything back in reverse. It's pretty easy. Start with the bracket. You're gonna put the bracket on, then you grab the piston. Okay, or sorry, the caliper, whatever it's called there. I lubed these bolts up because I was messed up and I forgot to lube up the slider bolts there. Now all you gotta do is put the old tire back on and she's mint. Hopefully she drives and she ain't seized up on you there, alright? Any questions? Leave them down below.